Hi y'all! Today we are going to be doing something simple and good. If you like cheesecake, this might be the recipe for you. If you like ice cream, this might be the recipe for you. If you like both of them put together, this is definitely the recipe for you. We are doing a no churn cheesecake ice cream. We got some cream cheese for this, we got some vanilla, we got some heavy whipping cream, graham crackers, some sweetened condensed milk, and now this is completely optional, but I'm going to do it. I also have some caramel syrup. But before we get to making our ice cream, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Now let's make some ice cream. Hi y'all, so we are going to start with our stand mixer, or just a mixer. You will need 2 bowls for this, so whatever works best for you, because we're mixing up 2 parts. But we're going to start with our 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Then we are going to take 16 ounces of softened cream cheese. And then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now we're going to go ahead and get this well blended together. Alright, once it's well blended together, we need to take and set this to the side. Alright, so however you decided to do this, we need another mixer. We're going to go ahead, take in a cup and a half of our heavy whipping cream. And now we're going to go ahead and mix this until we get soft peaks. Okay, once we have our soft peaks, we're going to go ahead and remove the bowl. Now we're going to take our cheesecake mixture. We're going to add that to our whipped cream mixture, which isn't a mixture, it's just our whipped cream. Now we're going to gently mix this together. Okay, once we got this well mixed together, we're going to take 1 full sleeve of our graham crackers, break them up, drop them in. Now we're going to go ahead and fold this in. And we're doing this by hand because you don't want to overmix it. And then finally, but not least, take our caramel. And we're going to fold this in. However much or however little caramel you would like. Now we have a dish that we can go ahead and spread it out and let it freeze in. Alright, now we're just going to go ahead and spread it out evenly. Now we can take just a couple more of our graham crackers, crush them up over the top. Now I'm just going to go ahead, drizzle some more caramel on there, because why not? We're just going to go over the top with some plastic wrap. Into the freezer overnight, or at the minimum of 6 hours. You might as well throw it in there overnight. When ours is set up, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have it. Cheesecake ice cream. Now if you want, you can let this sit out for a few minutes, it'll soften up. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.